children. Happy morning. Happy morning to all. How are you? Yes, I hope you are doing well. Yes, good. Okay, shall we go for this class? Yes, children. Okay, I'll have to stand up. Before that, we have to do prayer, no? Yes. Stand up, all of you. Stand, stand. Okay, very good. First, what you have to do? Join your hands. Close your eyes. Yes, super. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyoti Gamaya Mrityo Ma Amadam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shantini. Yes, children, very good. Now we are so active because we did prayer, no? Okay, children. Last time I told you know about this week we are going to celebrate. Yes, Independence Day. Very good. And today I am going to tell another topic. Okay, children, are you ready? Come on. Okay, children, already we have seen this. Now, what is this? Yes, very good. India. Super, children. Next, what is this? Flag. Very good. What is this? This is saffron, white and green. And this one? Ashoka Chakra. Very good. This is tricolors. Okay, children. And today I am going to teach you another one. Yes. National symbols of India. National symbols of India. Symbols na என்னது? Symbols na சின்னம். அப்படின்னா அடையாளம். நம்ம நாட்டோட அடையாளங்கள். பார்க்கலாமா? Flag. நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்துருக்கோம்ல flag. தேசிய கொடி. Emblem. இது என்னது? Emblem. இது வந்து எத்தனை ஃபேஸ் இருக்கு பாருங்க. இது லயன். எத்தனை ஃபேஸ் இருக்கு? 1 2 3. ஆனா இதுக்கு பேக் சைடுலயும் ஒரு ஃபேஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? சோ 4 ஃபேஸ் இருக்கும் இதுக்கு. ஓகேவா? இது என்னது? Emblem. All of you say emblem. What is this? Peacock. National bird peacock. What is this? Tiger. Yes, very good. கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்களே. Tiger. National animal tiger. Yes, flower. What is this? Lotus. Lotus. National flower lotus. And this one? National fish dolphin. National fish dolphin. Okay, children. Next, lotus. நம்ம இப்ப பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? Lotus. என்னது இது? National flower. Our national flower. India's national flower is lotus. All of you say national flower is lotus. What color? Pink color. Good. Next, what is this? Tiger. What is this? Tiger. Our national animal tiger. Our national animal tiger. Next, our national fruit. Our national fruit is mango. Our national fruit is mango. What color? Yellow color. Very good. Next. Yes, peacock. Very good, children. And this one, national bird. Peacock. National bird. Peacock. Do you know how it dances? It will spread its feathers and it will dance like this. Yes, children. Okay. Very good. Okay, children. Today we have learned more symbols in this class. Okay. And next class I will show you an interesting thing. Okay. Ready for that? Okay. Okay, children. Shall we go for the section? That is our class. Come on, come on. Okay, children. Today our rhyme is... Yes, what is this? Are you sleeping? Shall we sing? Start. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Shall we sing once more? Yes, come on. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Yay! Super! Clap, 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 clap. Clap yourself. Very good, children. Okay, don't forget the rhymes. Okay, have to learn all the days. Okay, next. Okay, children, we have learned rhymes. Next subject we are going. Okay, are you ready? Come on, children. Okay, children, now we are going to see next concept. Okay, children, in this concept, we are going to learn colors. Okay, what colors? Already we have learned red color. Very good. Today we are going to learn another color. Shall we see? Now I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay, children. What is this? Mango. Yellow mango. Yellow mango. What we'll do with this? We will eat. Yes. This taste is very yummy, yummy. Yes. Very good. Next. Yellow butterfly. Yellow butterfly. We have seen many colors, no? So, butterfly we can see in yellow color also. Okay. This is yellow color butterfly. Where we can see this? Yes, we can see in garden near the flowers. Yes, children. Next. What is this? Your favorite one, huh? Yes, yellow car. Yellow car. We have seen red color car, no? Today we are seeing yellow car. Yes. Anybody is having yellow car with you? Having? Very good. Super. Vachirukingla yellow color car. Super. Next. Next. Pineapple. What color? Yellow. Yellow pineapple. Yellow pineapple. Next, what is this? Yellow smiley. Yellow smiley. All of you do like this smile? Yes. Like this, you are also smiling. Very good. Next, yellow pencil. Writing pencil. Yellow writing pencil. What color? Yellow color. Next, banana. Yes. What color? Yellow color. Yellow banana. Yellow banana. Next, duck. Yellow duck. Yellow duck. What is this? Lime. Lemon. Yes. Superb. Now you can see this. You can see your kitchen. Mommy will make juice and yummy food with this. Yes, no? Very good. What is this? Yellow lime. Next, bee. What is this? Honey bee. Honey bee also in yellow color. Pom pom, pom pom. Yes, yellow buzz. Yellow buzz. Next, yellow rose. Yellow rose. Where we'll keep this? We will keep mummies and women's. They will keep in their hair. Yes. Rose. Yellow rose. Sunflower. Yes. Yellow sunflower. What is this? Yellow sunflower. From this we can get oil also. Okay, children. Sun. The yellow sun. Daytime you can see this now. Hot, very hot sun. Yes. Yellow. Yellow sun. Yes, children, yummy, yummy. Wow, what is this? Corn, yellow corn. Have you eaten this? Yes, taste is very nice, no? Yes, I like boiled one and also fried one. What about you? Yes, both are super, very good. Next, very rare one. What is this? Yes, capsicum. Hello, capsicum. We have seen this one in green color. Yes. Now you are seeing yellow color and also in red color also. Last time we have seen no? Yes. Now we are seeing in yellow color. Wow, children. Very good. Now you have seen so many pictures. Now we are going to see some objects. Come on. Yes, come on children. Wow, what is this? So many yellow colors. Come on, let me see what is this. Mango. Wow, yummy, yummy mango. What color? Yellow color. Yes. What is this? Mango. And if you say mango is yellow color. Mango is yellow color. Yes. What is this? Yeah, I like this one. What is this? Corn. What is this? Corn. Yummy, yummy corn. What color, children? I want to eat this. You also want? You want this? Okay, okay. Ask your mummy to buy this. Okay. Yes, what is this? Corn. Yellow color corn. What is this? Banana. Yellow color banana. You want this? Okay. This one also ask your mom. Okay. She will buy and give. Okay, children. What is this? Banana. What color? Yellow color. Wow. What is this? What is this? Yes, lime. Very good. Super, children. Where you can see this one, children? In the kitchen. Your mommy will cut this and squeeze and she will put some salt, sugar and she will add water and she will mix and she will give what is this? Juice, lime juice. Wow. Ask your mommy to do. Okay. What is this? Flower. What is this? Flower. Yellow flower. Yellow crayon. What we will do? We will color. Yes, very good. What is this? Yellow pencil. Writing pencil. Yellow pencil. Yellow coloring pencil. Yellow coloring pencil. This is marker. Yellow marker. Next. What is this? Something toy. Pen. This is pen. Okay, do you want this? Come on. Wow, what is this? This is napkin. We can wipe it. Okay, this is napkin. Very nice, no? Superb. What is this? Napkin. What color? Yellow color. What is this? Superb. Yes. Yellow color ball. You want this? Take it. What is this? Yellow color ball. Wow. What is this, children? What is this? Yellow smiley cup. Yellow smiley cup. Okay. Yeah. What is this? Beads. What is this? Beads. What color? Yellow color. Bead. This is dump box. Smiley dump box. Can you see this here hole? You can put. Ask your mummy, father, and then grandma, grandpa some coins or money. You can put here and save this. Okay, children. This is smiley dump box. What is this? Some pouch. Yellow color pouch. Shall we see what is inside? Wow, what is this? Your favorite one, no? Yes, what is this? Yes, superb. Minion, yes, superb. Wow, super. Yes, children. You want this? You want? Okay, ask your mommy. Okay. Wow, what is this? This is dal. What is this? Dal. Mummy will cook, no? Ask your mummy to cook and give. Okay, this is dal. Okay, this is yellow color dal. Next, what is this? Dupatta. What is this? Dupatta. Very good. What color? Yellow color. Wow. See, I am also wearing yellow color. Very good. Super children. Have you enjoyed this? Yes. Shall we go for the class? Next class? Come on. Okay children. Now we are going to see the lesson. Okay. What book this is? This is number book. What color? Purple color. What color? Purple color. And then number book. Purple color, number book. Shall we open the book? Yes, already we have done this page. Page number 5. We have already done. Okay, what color? Red color. What is this? I asked you to do this, no? Yes, this is post box. We have to tear the red color paper and paste it on the post box. Did you done, children? Very good. Shall we open the page? Next page. Yes. Color yellow. Color yellow. Point to the picture and repeat. The banana is yellow. The banana is yellow. The banana is yellow. The banana is yellow. Repeat, children. The banana is yellow. The banana is yellow. Next, the sunflower is yellow. The sunflower is yellow. Can you repeat? Yes. The banana is yellow. Repeat. The banana is, yes, yellow. The sunflower is yellow. The sunflower is yellow. Very good, children. Superb. Clap your hands. Very good. Next, what is this? Activity. Okay. Circle the yellow faces. Where is yellow faces? Here we have 3 faces. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3. So they are asking to circle the yellow faces. Shall we circle? I am talking. Yellow color crayon. Very good. Now we are circling the yellow face. And another one, yellow face. Yes, children. Super. Okay, children. Whenever you get time, you have to do this activity. Okay, children. You will do, no? Thumbs up. Yes, very good. Shall we see some smiley face here? Yes. This is yellow color smiley face. Here we can see the smiley face. Yellow color smiley dumb box. Yellow color smiley dumb box. And yellow color stick puppet. Yellow color stick puppet. Yes, children. Very good. What you have to do? You have to circle the yellow faces. Okay, children. Dear parents, please guide your child to do this activity. Thank you. Okay, children. Shall we go to the next part? Come on. Children, today we are going to see Montessori activity. Okay, children. In this we are going to do sort out the colors. Okay, color sorting. Yes, see here we have so many colors: green, pink, orange, yellow and red. Okay, and also I am having some color bead. Okay children, now we are going to sort out. Now first I am going to take green color. Okay. Okay children, first I am going to keep the green bead on the green paper. Yes. That's the green. Yes. Next, pink color. Next, yellow. Sorry children, next, orange. This is orange. Next, yellow. Yellow color, B. Yellow, B. Yellow, B. Next, red color. Wow, super. Can you say what color? Green color, pink color, orange color, yellow color and red color. Super children. Okay. Parents, while doing this activity, this will develop their eye and coordination and concentration and also fine motor skills. Okay, if you have like this color papers or anything, not like this beads also is not necessary, anything you can give it to them and ask them to sort the color. Thank you. Okay children, today we have learned so many things. Yes children, and I hope you have enjoyed this class. Okay, what we have learned today? Are you sleeping? Very good. Are you sleeping? Next, we have learned so many symbols of our India's. What is that? Fruit. National fruit is mango. Next, national bird is peacock. Next, national animal is tiger. Next, national flower is lotus. Very good children. And then we learn colors. What is that? Yellow color. Very good. From the book of number book. Yes children. And you have to do the activity. Yes. This you have to circle the yellow faces. And what we have learned? So many colors we have learned now. What are they? B. Next. Bus. Yellow color. Bus. Yellow color. Flower. That is rose. Next. Yellow capsicum. Next, yellow duck. Next, yellow pencil. Writing pencil. Next, yellow pineapple. Next, yellow butterfly. Next, yellow car. Next, yellow lime. Next, yellow banana. Next, yellow mango. Next, yellow flower. Next, yellow corn. Next, yellow smiley. Next, yellow mango. Yes, children. Okay, we have learned so many colors in yellow. So many objects we have seen. So many pictures we have seen. Okay, children, enjoy your day. Take care. Okay, children, I will come on Friday with interesting class. Are you ready for that? Okay, children, be ready. Okay, we'll meet you soon. Bye. Thank you. Dear parents, if you have any doubt or any suggestion, please mail to krmzoomquery@gmail.com. This is the one. Okay, thank you parents. Thank you children. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Meet you soon.